how to fix, please check your internet connection and try again on Telegram. If you're trying to log into your account but it says check your internet connection and try again, then that means your internet connection is not stable. So first thing you want to do is make sure that you have a good internet connection. But if you have a good connection but still you're facing this problem, then what you want to do is first go to your app settings, and from there you can scroll all the way down till you find Telegram. So just find your Telegram right here, and from here go to your storage and clear cache, because sometimes the junk files might be causing that problem. But after doing that, if it still doesn't work, open your Play Store and search for any VPNs right here. And once you do that, you can open any VPN right here and connect your internet connection to a VPN, then try to log in again. After that, your problem should be fixed and you should be easily able to log into your account without any problems. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you on the next video. Hit like on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.